Hi, this is Keir from Shopify. Today we're going to look at how you can use cart permalinks. A cart permalink is a one-click link to add any number of products to the cart and take the user straight to the payment page, or as I like to call it, the give me the money page. Now there's a couple of reasons you might want to do this. One is that you might want to tweet out a link and ask someone to buy something instantly. You don't want them to go to the product detail page and add a quantity and then go through the normal checkout flow. The other is that you may have a client who's got different sites and they want a one-click button to take someone from that site straight to the store and the checkout page. It's actually pretty easy to do, but first of all you need to find out what's called the variant ID of that particular product that you'd like to add using a cart permalink. So let's start off by using the mustache mug. Now, unfortunately, we cannot find out the variant ID from this particular page. Now, a variant is, as the name suggests, a variation on the product, and the typical example would be a t-shirt, where you might have one particular design, but the actual t-shirt might be a different color and it comes in different sizes. So they're called variants. In order to find out a variant ID of our mustache mug, we go to our address bar and we add the extension .xml at the end. This gives us an XML representation of our product. Now this might be a little alien to you if you've never come across this before, but it's actually really easy to read. It's very much like HTML in fact, and what we need to look for is the variant element here and then the ID. So it says here ID type equals integer and then there's a number. I'm just going to copy that. That's the variant ID for our mustache mug. Now, if I go to my address bar and I type in http shopifyfordesigners.com and then add /cart and then another slash and enter in that variant ID, followed by a colon and then a quantity, in this case 1, and hit return, theoretically it should take me straight to our checkout page, and it has. As you can see, it's added one mustache mug. And we're on the Give Me the Money page, as I call it, where we can take the user's address, email, and then their payment details. But it doesn't stop there. You can actually add more than one product and more than one quantity. So let's go in and find another product. Let's see, what have we got? The edible coffee cup. So again, all I need to do is add .xml to the end and scroll down and look for the ID in the variant that we want. And again, there's only one, and here it is. Now, I've taken the liberty of actually recording these values in a text file just for the sake of this demonstration. Now, the top one is the mustache mug, and the second one is the edible coffee cup. Now, I have my URL already here, so all I need to do is copy the first one, paste it in, and we want to add one of those. Then I add a comma, and I grab my second one, but I actually want to add two of those, so I do a colon and 2. Now for the sake of the demo, let me go back to my store, view website, and just clear my cart because it will remember. So it appears that your cart is currently empty, which is good. Now if I copy that URL, making sure there's no space there, and open up a new tab, paste it in, we've now got 2 edible coffee cups added and 1 mustache mug. So again, it's a really great way of adding more than one product to the cart and taking the user straight to the payment page. That's really all there is to it. It's a useful trick. It's great for tweeting out quick buy links or linking up from other sites to products within your Shopify store. I hope you find it useful. If you have any questions, feel free to get in touch. My email address, as always, is keir@shopify.com, or you can find me on Twitter, where my handle is @KeirWhitaker. Thanks a lot.